Wait, what surgery?
You don't even want to know about the surgery, okay? Okay, let's do this song first.
We saw you in Hawaii Kai.
At Costco or?
No, Hawaii Kai Shopping Center.
Yeah, because he's always at Costco.
The samples.
He gives out samples every day.
I got your samples right here. No. Wait. I'm gonna do this song for the Pereira Ohana out there. I tell you, and Gwen and Ryan over there. I love you guys. I love my Ohana, and I thank you for the boots, bro. Look, I'm wearing them, bro. I love you, bro. I just need the spurs now, okay? Then I'll be a bona fide urban cowboy, okay?
Yeah, but you still get a cardboard cow at your house.
I know I have a cardboard cow, but I have a Subaru now, and I could kick that.
I want to say hello to my nephews back home for a few days. My nephew JJ and Justin out there. Welcome back home, boys. Yes.
So a song that was brought to us a long time ago by a beautiful lady that I never even thought she would know like Hawaiian music. Auntie Kathy, remember that Kai? And Uncle Bill. We had this these elderly people that would follow us, and she always wanted us to sing this song. And I was like, oh, it's kind of untouchable to me. The Hui Ohana, I mean, it just really vested all of us in our Hawaiian music, and we loved them so very much. But this was one of those untouchable songs. No, I really think you guys could do it. And we did it, and now we can't stop doing it. So it's for you, Auntie Kathy, Uncle Bill, all these beautiful people that have passed on. It's a story, once again, that has to be told. These people's names still need to be spoken, and they're just beautiful people that we love so very much. So it's for them, and also for all of our Ohana, all you guys right here tonight, okay? A beautiful song that was written by Squeeze Kamana down the street here. One of the Beach Boys wrote this for his youngest daughter. So a song that goes like this. Okay, brother. All right. Okay, we got it. Omaha. Okay. I know. Yeah, no, don't think of that. Okay, here we go. Yeah, here we go. For you, Chrissy. For you too, baby. Gideon on the ukulele, yeah. Nani he hui Hawaii. So very much. Mahalo.